Welcome to today's video. I'm Chef Dirk Wykowski, and I've got Cam and Ella with me today. And what we're gonna be doing is cooking some fish, right? Who doesn't love a nice piece of cooked fish?
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, and how many times do you get overcooked fish?
That's me
Every time.
So the salmon, Atlantic salmon, it's frozen. Best way to thaw this out is buy it a day or two in advance, put it in your fridge. Here's our piece of fish that's nice and thawed. We want that protein to kind of be at room temperature. Now it's got two sides. This is gonna be the side we're gonna wanna show everyone, but we wanna make sure we season both sides. Our sides that are gonna go with the fish today are gonna be rice. The key is 2 to 1. 2 parts liquid to 1 part rice. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in a pot and then bring it up to a boil, turn it way down, cover it, don't touch it. The keys to cooking fish is 1, a pretty warm pan, and 2, don't get nervous. And we're only gonna turn it once. So we're gonna sear it, and what we wanna do is we're gonna sear the side we want everyone to see first. And when you put it in the pan, make sure you start at you and go away from you. There you go. So now while this is cooking, if you wanna put a little bit of the broccoli and some of the green beans right in the hot water, you're talking 10, 15 seconds. And we'll just pour everything right into the strainer. And now we've got this pan, and we're just gonna all right, now you can see on this where it's pretty much cooked just past halfway. You can go ahead and put your finger right here, and then you can just turn it. Oh, perfect. Perfect. And so now it's basically cooked, okay? The protein's gonna continue to cook. And our veggies are ready. Our rice is now cooked. And there you go. There's a really nice little pan-seared piece of salmon with some rice and some broccoli and green beans. All available over at Sparty's Market at 1855 Place. So thank you all very much.
Visit Sparty's Market at 1855 Place on the campus of Michigan State University to purchase any items used in this recipe.